Tornado. One of the favorite tricks of beginners. For me, it was also one of my favorite tricks when I was a beginner. Today I want to break it down for you guys, so after watching this video you will be able to do it. If you already know how to do thumb around and extended thumb around. Both tutorials for these two tricks I have on my channel, I will leave a link in the description, because Tornado is basically an extended thumb around continuous, when you do one after another and again and again and again. This is one of the infinity tricks, like not the trick infinity, it is eternal trick. One of those which you can do continuously over the year, over 10 hours straight. So to do Tornado, take your pen mod with its bigger part looking away from you and closer to its cap. You need to make a thumb around with pushing with your index finger. First practice this if you don't know how to do thumb around pushing with your index finger, because after that you will need to add an extended thumb around with pushing with your index finger. For that you need to take the mod, lay it on your middle finger, your index is at its back side, then you push it with your index finger to make thumb around, and after pen goes behind your thumb, you straighten your index and turn hand. So pen continues to rotate on your index. First of all, you need to focus on that, and when you can do one extended thumb around with pushing with your index finger, when the pen goes under your index finger, you need to make sure you catch it with the pen's bigger part looking away from you again. Also, again, you need to turn your hand. So basically, Tornado is about turning your hand. You can see it in slow motion. So you always turn your hand down and side. You need to find the good moment to push the pen with your index when the pen goes under it. You need to find the good moment for turning the hand, and perfect, balanced force which you apply to a pen mod to make it turn over your thumb, but you don't need to push the pen very much, because otherwise you will lose control over your pen and it's gonna rotate too fast and you wouldn't be able to catch it with your index finger. There are a few tips I can share with you, but the main tip is just practice. First of all, you need to practice one extended thumb around, then try to add another thumb around, not extended, at least thumb around. You do extended thumb around, then you push the pen again to do one thumb around. After that, you lead the pen mod on the surface of your thumb and index connected together, or you need to lead your pen mod on your index. Then you turn hand again, push the pen, and again lead it on your index. When you can do two extended thumb arounds in a row, that's the first step for you to master Tornado. Just continue adding one by one. After you can do two in a row, add another thumb around. Then make it extended thumb around. As you can see, the main work does your wrist and your index finger. You need to bend and straighten it pretty much. When your hand is palm side, you bend it. When you turn the hand, you straighten it. Again, don't apply too much force. Also, it would be beneficial for you to know how to do fingerless thumb around for this trick, because at the first you will also probably, at least as I did it back then when I was learning this trick, I also added a lot of push with my thumb. So my extended thumb around, at least the second one, was mostly an fingerless thumb around, because I didn't even push the pen with my middle finger much, just led it with my index finger over thumb, and mostly I did it with fingerless thumb around. So basically you can either learn it with adding of your thumb around or of your fingerless thumb around. But this is not the best way. It made my progress go a little bit slower, I'd say. It was easier to learn, but after that I realized that it stops my progress in mastering Tornado pretty much. So I would recommend you to add just thumb around, not fingerless ones. You can also find other video tutorials on my channel. Click in the playlist, they are all gathered on playlist. There are also different tutorials of pen mods. All of them are available on penstock.net with the delivery all over the world, to any country over the world, for the fixed one price, one for all. My name is Alex Sukhov, may the style be with you. Bye.